At this time, I mentioned earlier that we were going to have an announcement on the National Federation of Croatian Americans Hall of Fame inductees for Croatian American sports people. And I'd like to read the names at this time. I'm not going to get into lengthy information, but these are various individuals from the sports world over the past probably 70 to 80 years to current. And we certainly congratulate the NFCA once again for their work in this regard. In addition, we congratulate those individuals who are being honored by this entrance to the Croatian American Hall of Fame, those that are living and those who are deceased, of course, their families. So as they were read off to our attendees to the NFCA meeting, they were as follows. George Mikan Jr., who played for the Minneapolis Lakers in the National Basketball League. Mickey Lolich. They said Mike when it fooled me because everybody knows Mickey Lolich was a pitcher for the Detroit Tigers. John Havlicek, the sixth man from the NBA Celtics, but also a very famous basketball player and a Croat on his mother's side. Helen Salenkovic. Now, this is the only female who made this first list, and they say they're looking and they plan on inducting additional females, but Helen Salenkovic was a diver from the Los Angeles, California area in the 1940s, born in 1920s to Croatian parents. Number 5 on the list was Joe Stađar. He was a lineman for the Kansas City Chiefs in the AFL, the American Football League, before the merger with the NFL to become the modern-day NFL, a 5-time All-Pro in his day. Number 6, and still alive, Fred Couples, a golfer, very well-known golfer, Croat on his mother's side. This number 7 is going to be well-known to a lot of you, especially those of you who follow hockey. He's the general manager of the Colorado Avalanche, the Stanley Cup award-winning Avalanche, and he's none other than Joseph Sakic. And Joe's from Imotski, so I take special pride in that as well. Number 8 on the list, everybody knows who the gentleman who broke, or the player who broke the famous record of 60 home runs in a baseball season set by Babe Ruth, I believe in 1927. And that was none other than Roger Maris. Very congratulatory note today to recognize Roger Maris from Minnesota, who broke Babe Ruth's record. Number 9 on the list, and also a basketball player with the NBA Celtics, was Kevin McHale, whose mother was a Starchevich. So we congratulate as well and recognize Kevin McHale. And finally, number 10, another hockey player from the Minnesota area, very well known from the 1980 USA team that upset the Big Red Russian Machine. It was called the Miracle on Ice by Al Michaels when he called the game. And "Do you believe in miracles?" was the catch line, I believe. And that's Mark Pavlich, who was a all-star with that team, scoring goals against the Big Red Russians and also playing in the National Hockey League. So we congratulate all 10 of these individuals for their induction to the Croatian American Hall of Fame. We look forward to attending a banquet in Cleveland at the Croatian Center in East Lake, where they'll be officially recognized and so honored once again. And we invite you to look for further information along those lines. At this time, without further ado, we'll get back to our Tamburitza entertainment, and we certainly hope you've enjoyed the show thus far, as I know we have. And it's a pleasure to invite to the stage the Milwaukee Croatian Tamburitzans. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause. The Milwaukee Croatian Tamburitzans are excited to return to this year's CFU Junior Festival in Baltimore, Maryland. The festival is always a highlight for their children and families. They are grateful for the opportunity to reconnect with old friends and develop new bonds throughout the weekend. They are proud to be under the direction of 4 talented MCT alumni: Kristen Austin, Angie Doherty, Heidi Spellman, and Christy Ubel. The directors are committed to sharing their love and passion for Croatian music and dance with kids, and are honored to carry on the tradition of musical excellence established by Patsy Lucas. They would like to thank the leadership of the Croatian Fraternal Union and the CFU Junior Cultural Federation for planning this year's festival, and they'd also like to extend a special congratulatory note to MCT alumni Jason Altman for being selected as this year's guest conductor. They say, in conclusion, Fala and Živela Hrvatska. And please, as an add-on note, we ask you to take back our best wishes to the Lucas family as we keep Patsy in our thoughts and prayers, and certainly the many friends that both Paul and Patsy had at these Federation festivals. Miss them dearly, so please take our best wishes back. Once again, the Milwaukee Croatian Tamburitzans.